Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Kidsyd back with another video. So in today's tutorial, actually today's tutorial is a part 2 of Phumelela by Kidsyd. So we're gonna focus on how to mix verse. So without wasting any time, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to the family. And yeah, without wasting any time, this is what we are going for. Phumelela, Phumelela, ifuna phumelela phumelela khorongwe lengwe ka kena tša tšhela nomera iputse opotse ka kena ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke re ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo ke le dimo ke ja fela ke re ha ke tlhope le mamenemene ha le tshosi I will never stop until I succeed. Or definitely I don't see no one, I'm taking the lead. Ain't nobody tell me I'm gonna win. Tlogele nna ke phatla kenelela ke tle ke phumelele bo ke funa phumelela. Yeah, so the first thing that I did here, and I'm just gonna assume that you haven't watched the part 1. Yeah, so the first thing that we're gonna do here, we're just gonna come to this icon here and go to the pitch correct sample here, and then we go to this scissor type of thing there, and then we go to the scale, and then our scale is C minor, and this is only if you are using the auto tune on your vocals. And this is our lead vocal here. Khorongwe lengwe ka kena tša tšhela nomera iputse opotse ka kena ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke re ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo. Yeah, so our lead vocal is on track or inside 8 right here. And then yeah, the first thing that I did on this mixer here is a fruity parametric EQ2, and then I just cut out the lows. Yeah. Oh damn, bro. That's khorongwe lengwe ka kena tša tšhela nomera iputse okotse ka kena ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke re ke phurupuru tlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo ke le dimo ke ja fela ke re ha ke tlhope. And then I just cut out some bad frequencies that pop up there. Khorongwe lengwe ka kena tša tšhela nomera iputse okotse ka kena ke khorongwe lengwe ka kena tša tšhela nomera ibutse okotse ka kena. Yeah, so for the first EQ I just cut out some bad frequencies, and then I just added another fruity EQ, but for this one I just to boost the vocal here. So on band number 7 here I just increased the level by 2.7, and then on band 6 is 2.4, and then on band 4 is 2.3, and on band 1 I just like to decrease the band 1 here, but not much. Yeah, and this is how it sounds with the actually I'm just gonna go to this EQ, not EQ but auto tune, and then on our scale there we had minor, and then our key was C, and then the input type is low male. For yours gonna be different, maybe you're soprano or maybe you're alto. Yeah, and then our return speed here we have it's about 5, and then our humanize is 100, and that's it.
with the auto tune, and here's how it sound with EQs and auto tune.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka kena ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke re ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo ke le dimo ke ja fela ke re ha ke tlhope.
Yeah, and the next thing that I did here, I added a de-esser just to cut out some the hash s. Yeah, so we have our threshold around minus 70 dB, and then the range is minus 16 dB, and yeah, I think that's it with the de-esser. And then we have a SSL compressor here, so the threshold is 15 dB, and then we have the attack here 3 millisecond, and then the ratio is 2.1 2:1, and then we have the release to 1.2 sec. And actually this is the wave plugins, guys, so I hope you guys have the wave plugins, or if you don't, you must make a plan. Yeah, it's working good so far, guys. So the next thing, or let's hear the vocal with the EQs until to this SSL compressor here.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka
Without
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena.
Yeah, so as we can hear, there's a huge difference there. So the next thing that I did, I just added a rvox.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere.
So the compression is minus 0.5, minus 4.5, and then the gain is minus 2.2.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse.
And our gate here is infinite.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse.
And then we have a fruity limiter, and I only used it as a noise gate here. So yeah.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka kena ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke re ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo ke le dimo ke ja fela ke re ha ke tlhope le mameneme.
Yeah, and then the next thing that I did, I just added a sound goodizer, and then there's a 4 preset or 4 modes here. So I just went for this C mode, and then I just played with the amount here.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka kena ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke re ke phuruphurutlhola.
So I didn't want much of it.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka kena ke.
And the next thing that I did, I think I added a S1 imager here, and then just widen the vocal here, and I went for one on this width here, and that's the only thing that I touched them. And then I just played with this mix level here,
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse.
and then I added a compression, and then our threshold is around 20 dB, minus 20 dB. Ratio is 2 to 1, and then our gain is 2.5 dB, and does it with the
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša tšhela nomere e butse o kotse ka kena ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke re ke phuruphurutlhola fela ke tshwana le dimo bo.
And then the next thing that I did there, I just routed this track here, or the inside here, to the delay insights and the reverb.
kgorongwe le ngwe ka kena tša.
So I'm just gonna start with the delay. So on the delay we have our feedback here, a peep on, and the feedback level 32%, and then the cutoff to 11%, and the time is 3:43, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then just to control the delay, I added a fruity parametric EQ2, and I went for this preset here. I went to the preset, and then this one is a radio preset here. Yeah, and then on a reverb here we have a fruity reverb too, and then I just played with the wet level here is 30%, and then the size is 52, and the decay is 2 seg, and that's pretty much it. And then I added a fruity parametric EQ just to control the reverb, just like I did on the delay. And then I routed this insert here to this insert 9 here for another delay. So this one, and I automated this insert here on the end on this. I will never stop until I succeed, or definitely I don't see no one, I'm taking the lead. Ain't nobody tell me I'm gonna win. Yeah, so on this delay here, my cutoff frequency is 20%, and then my feedback is 51, and then my feedback is at normal, and time is 3246. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. All I did, it only plays as the vocal start here is it only plays at the end of the vocal or of the verse. Yeah, and then we have so we have this backgrounding vocals here, so they are on the same insert as the lead vocal, but I just decreased the channel volume here. So for this one is 10%, and for this other one here I just penned it, I think is 59 or 60% left, and then I just decrease its channel volume to 20%, and then this other one here is penned to the right, 59% right, and then the volume I just decrease its volume to, this is 16, and then this one I think is a bass vocal. Okay, it's not a voice. So with the lead vocal,
ke le dimo ke ja fela ke re ha ke tlhopi le mene ha le ntshosi. I will never stop until I succeed, or definitely I don't see no one, I'm taking the lead. Ain't nobody tell me I'm gonna win.
Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it with the yeah, that's pretty much it with the verse. And yeah, we have this beat, guys. I made this beat. Actually, I make beats too, so if you wanna check out my bass channel, this KIDSYDBEATZ, I will leave the link on the description. Please go check it out. Please support. I ask for your support, guys. And yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting. If you like the video so far, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to comment on the comment section below, and then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Peace.
No matter you put the opposite again, I keep puru to la fail. Carry keep puru to la fail like it's finally demo. Kill it demo. Kitcha feel like a hack topi. Let my mene halin toasty. I will never stop until I succeed, or definitely I don't see no one, I'm taking the lead. Ain't nobody tell me I'm gonna win. Chokelele na ke patwa kenele like it take phumelela bo. Gifuna phumelela.